Murg posto. Chicken and poppy seed sauce. A main dish from India.
Serves
You
2.
will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Soak poppy seeds in 2 cups warm water. Step 2. Heat ghee. Fry onions until golden. Step 3. Add rogan josh paste and fry 1 minute. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons of hot water over the paste. Step 4. Add chicken and fry for 5 minutes. Step 5. Add sugar, red chilies, salt, and fry 1 minute. Step 6. Add poppy seeds with the water and boil. Cover and simmer until liquids are absorbed and chicken is tender. Step 7. Add 2 to 3 more cups of hot water and mix. Step 8. Serve hot with rice or bread. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.